If I had known how much better I would feel about myself, getting up and looking in the mirror every morning, after 68 years of having horrible teeth, and then all of a sudden you wake up and you look in the mirror and your teeth are beautiful. I was really irritated with myself that I hadn't managed to take the time to do it sooner. I was born with terrible teeth. I have 4 siblings and nobody had teeth as bad as mine. I have enough root canals and dental work in my mouth. I had a fall and they thought I had a broken nose, so they took an x-ray of my face, and he said, "Oh my gosh, I've never seen so much metal in anybody's mouth in my life." I am a forensic social worker, but I'm a court qualified expert as well. And so I was constantly, either doing television interviews, I testified at the legislature all the time, I did presentations, I was keynote speaker at a lot of conferences. So my public presentation is important. It was so stressful to wonder if I was going to have a problem with my teeth. Typically, it was a crown falling out when I was in the middle of, doing something very public. I was literally at a cocktail party for Leadership Louisiana one time in Shreveport. And I was getting dressed to leave to go to the party, and my front crown fell out. And I just thought, I really don't want to live like this. This is not fun.
I've been seeing Dr. Cecile for, I would say almost 16 years. She had pretty much crowns on every single one of her teeth. And they were all done, I don't know how many years ago, maybe 20 or 30 years ago, with some older materials, some discolored materials. So with Dr. Cecile, what we were able to do is use photography to do a smile design. And with the smile design, Dr. Cecile was able to see what her teeth look like now and what the end result's going to be. And I think that is awesome because it gives us a level of predictability that the patient understands where we're going, and it gives them some confidence in the process. So we ended up taking pretty much everything off and putting some of the latest and greatest materials in her mouth, and ultimately it ended up turning out pretty beautiful.
I'm very committed to Dr. Juban and his staff. When you've had the kind of dental problems I've had in my life, you really learn to appreciate somebody that can help you. It really has been such a comfort to me to not have to worry about my teeth and to love my teeth.